I want to share a story with you because so many people would love to buy their own home but cannot because they don't have enough money for a deposit. That's a very common thought. The thought amongst a lot of those people is that you'd have to save up money for 2 years or 3 years or 5 years or whatever just to have enough money to put down a deposit on a house. It's a big chunk of money. But I want to share the story with you because one of my mortgage team have just helped a lady who wanted to buy her own home in the future and wanted to find out what sort of deposit she would have to save up, what sort of fees she would have to save up, and what other costs there might be. And she made an inquiry online and scheduled an appointment with one of my mortgage advisors. And my mortgage advisor says, look, you don't have to have a deposit. And this lady said, excuse me, I don't have to have a deposit because my mortgage team have got access to lenders that will provide 100% mortgages. How good is that? Now, not all mortgage advisors have access to those mortgages. So obviously, if you would like to find out about 100% mortgages yourself, then please do get in contact. You can comment below, or I tell you what, I'll put a link in the description below here or in the comments, and you can just find out if you're able to get 100% mortgage. Anyway, so this lady made the inquiry, spoke to my mortgage advisor, and found out that she might be able to get a 100% mortgage. Now, that came as a real pleasant surprise for this lady because she had planned to scrimp and save and tighten those purse strings for 3 years before she would be able to buy a property. And even then, she wasn't entirely sure she'd be able to save up enough money to get the property that she really wants. Now, like I said at the beginning, everybody wants to buy their own home at some point in their lives. And this lady was hoping to be able to start that process in 3 years' time. But the problem with that is that in 3 years' time, property prices might have gone up. Mortgage rates might have changed. Who knows whether she still would have been able to get a mortgage and find the property that she'd like to move into. So once she found that out, that she can get a 100% mortgage, meaning the mortgage lender will lend her 100% of the purchase price. When she found that out, all she now had to do was cover her solicitor's costs and various little fees and bits and bobs. Now, she could go and find a property today. That's amazing. And it's an amazing story, and it happens so often. And I wanted to share this one because I hear this all the time. My mortgage team and I meet up every week to discuss all of the mortgages that we've written and helped customers with. And I wanted to share this one. And I'm going to share some more examples as we go now, just to try and show you what's available to you and to show you that mortgages constantly change. If yesterday you were thinking, I'm never going to be able to get a mortgage because I haven't got enough money for a deposit, today there might be a new mortgage product that lets you buy a property. Or if you're a buy-to-let investor and you're thinking, I'm never going to be able to get a mortgage because the rent's not high enough, or the value's not high enough, or something like that, there's always a way. But it all starts with one conversation with my mortgage team. So once again, if you're thinking about buying a house, or if you need to remortgage, then check out the link that I'll put in the description below and in the comments. Click that link and book a call with my mortgage team. Now, this mortgage team also arrange all of my personal mortgages as well. I'm a property investor, I'm a landlord myself, and I also have mortgages that have been arranged by my mortgage team. So I give them my absolute blessing. And you know what? It's free to find out. So you might as well book a call, use the link in the description below, and book a call with my mortgage team today to find out what options you have. Nowadays, with mortgage rates being what they are, you might think that you need to sell. So while you're talking to my mortgage team, why don't you find out how much your house is worth to give you some more options. Hopefully, we'll speak soon. Take care.